Hello guys, so today we are here to do a brief comparison among one of the two best earpods under 1000 rupees price range. On the right we have Soundmagic ES18, and on the left we have Sennheiser, a much famous company, Sennheiser CX180. So first of all, let's go with the build quality. Uh, According to me, the build quality of CX180 is little better than Soundmagic ES18. Because of you can see the little tampering around the earpiece, which give it a little stylish design. Plus also these holes from which the voice comes out, it's metallic. So whereas in Soundmagic ES18 it's sort of plastic, I think. You can see the dust particle tends to collect there. Second point, the jack, 3.5 jack in CX180 is gold plated, whereas in ES18 it's silver plated. It's silver plated. Now comes the price range. Soundmagic CS18 are available from 500 to 600 rupees, whereas Sennheiser CX180 are available from 800 to 900 rupees. So if you are little tight on budget, I would definitely recommend Soundmagic ES18. But Sennheiser CX180 comes with 2 years warranty when compared to Soundmagic, which has 1 year warranty. One more point, this clip I have added it for my own convenience. By default, no clip comes with any of these earpods, and also there is no inbuilt speaker. Okay. Second, now let's come to sound test. For sound testing, I have downloaded an application from Play Store. I've downloaded sound meter from Play Store. So as you can see, whenever I speak, the decibel arrow goes up, and if I remain quiet, it will come down gradually. So let's do a sound test. For sound test, I will simply just hold on for a minute. For sound test, I will put both of these earpods near the microphone of the other phone so that I can test which has louder sound quality. As you can see, I've put both of these earpods near the microphone. So let's first go with the sound quality of ES18. I have this other tablet through which I will attach this earphone. Okay, are attached from this tablet, and now let's see the graph. So as you can see, the maximum value for is 65 to 67. Now let's test with this with Sennheiser CX180. I will take this wire and put it in the jack and play the same song from the same time in which I have played it there. Just hold a minute. Where is it? Yeah, here it is. Now just let me take it to 140 from where which I have started testing. Now, as you can see, clearly see the sound output from CX180. Sennheiser CX180 is little bit better than SoundMagic ES18, but SoundMagic ES18 are available in 3 or 4 colors. So if you want to go with different colors, then I would recommend SoundMagic ES18. It comes in red, blue, green, black, but CX180 comes only in this combination. So according to me, if budget is not your problem, I would recommend Sennheiser CX180. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe. Thank you very much. And as this is my first video, if you would like to give some suggestion, please hit the comment box. Thank you.